In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a LinkedIn profile's created date. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you'll first want to log in to your LinkedIn account. Open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, sign in using your email address, or if you prefer, you can sign in with your Google or Microsoft account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to ensure a smooth entry. Once you're signed in, you will find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. Here, look for the Me icon, which is typically your profile picture, located at the top of the page. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, find and select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the settings area of your account where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you will see a menu. From this menu, click on the section labeled Data Privacy. This section is crucial because it pertains to how LinkedIn manages and utilizes your personal data and activity on the platform. Within the Data Privacy area, look for a segment titled How LinkedIn Uses Your Data. This part will provide insights into what data LinkedIn collects and how they manage it. Clicking on this section will bring you to more detailed information. Now, we're almost there. You'll want to find and click on the Manage Your Data and Activity option. This is where LinkedIn stores specific information about your account and interactions with the platform. Once you're in the Manage Your Data and Activity section, you will see a compilation of details regarding your account history. Among these details, you will find the important information regarding your LinkedIn profile's creation date. This is where you can find the exact date when your profile was created. If you need to keep this information for future reference, feel free to jot it down or make a note of it somewhere. Knowing the age of your LinkedIn profile can be beneficial, especially when considering your professional journey or for networking opportunities. Navigating through LinkedIn's account settings may seem a bit complex at first, but by following these steps, you can easily access the information you need about your profile creation date. And that's it. You now know how to check when your LinkedIn profile was created. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your LinkedIn endeavors.